Welcome back to Ignition TV, everybody. All of the footage on my GoPro corrupted, so here I am going back to the shop and showing you all what's good. So here we go.
Let me pop the hood real quick. Alright, check it out. We got the intake on a little bit. I think it's gonna sit around here. The problem is back here you get really hot air from the exhaust manifold and the turbine, the turbo housing and everything. But up here you just get the hot air from the radiator and a little bit of cold air coming in over here if I do my cowl blinkers. So I think that's gonna be the best spot for it for now. I don't want to put no filter on it, so I want a filter. So that's gonna be our best option. I also got these coolant hoses in. Got most of them installed what I can. Got my timing kit in. I got the two new tensioners. I still gotta order the balancer for down there. I deleted AC and power steering. They're actually sitting over here. I got a bunch of intercooler pipe too, sitting right here. So condensers out, AC compressor, power steering, old radiator, all the AC lines and everything. That's all gone. So yeah, it's looking pretty good. Let me show you the downpipe. Super pissed that we didn't get any of this on camera. I mean, I did, but it got corrupted. But yeah, look at all that. I'm gonna pull it out for y'all. But it's perfect. Shoots down perfect. Alright, so this is how the downpipe turned out. Turned out really good. My buddy Jerry welded it up for me. You're gonna follow him on Instagram. I'll put his Instagram on the screen right now. He did a really good job taking it all up. Really good job. Appreciate it, man. So that goes in the back of the turbo. It ends up coming out right there perfect by the trans, between the trans and the frame rail. I gotta add a V-band at the bottom. So I gotta like kick it over a little bit, add a V-band, and then we're gonna go flex pipe. Gonna add a flex pipe, which I think is under the car right now, under the lift. And then we're gonna go 2.5 inch to 3 inch, and then 3 inch the rest of the way back. And that pipe is also under the car right now. But yeah, I got all the little coolant hoses and everything. I'm gonna wait to do all that after I get the balancer on and get it timed up and everything. That way I don't have to fight going around all that the whole time. Then we're gonna get the water pump pulley back on, the front timing cover back on, all that, and hook up the belt, then hook up all the lines. And then yeah, I guess it's on me. I gotta order a bunch of parts. So still need to order injectors, coils, turbo feed drain lines, which I think my buddy Caden's gonna have for me. They sent him the wrong ones in his cracking kit for his MB. So I'm probably gonna buy those from him. I need an intercooler still, blow-off valve, and a damper. So yeah, list is getting shorter and shorter and shorter. As for this, we can wipe this off for update tune. I've started to mock the IC piping. I just don't have the intercooler yet, so it's kind of hard to do. But for this first pipe, it's gonna come down. It's gonna do some sort of some little jog like this action. It's gonna do like that, and it's gonna be really tight up here. I might have to clearance the something. I might have to clearance something there, and it's gonna kick out down there behind the rad hose. I don't know if you can see it wiggling around. Yeah, it's coming along really good. I just it sucks that the footage got corrupted. That, and I didn't really record too much, but I was expecting to, you know, have a big old time lapse of Jerry welding up the downpipe, because that's really cool. But you know, sucks to suck, I guess. Fuck GoPro. Am I right? Oh yeah, I don't even know if you guys saw the radiator that I got. This is the new radiator, aluminum radiator off CAE Auto Parts. It's $205 with the fans and the shroud. It fit really great, and yeah, I got no complaints. I got to wire up the fans still. You look up which one's positive, negative on the harness, and same thing for the fans. Might grab a little 9-volt battery, see what the fan does. Yeah, pulled out that AC condenser, so we have much more room down here. Another thing I have to do, let me get the car up real quick. Another thing I have to do is pull this power steering rack out for the non-powered rack. I need to swap them out. I got all the lines disconnected, everything, fluids drained. I just need to pull the tie rods and get it out of here and go swap it out. It'd be like $100 at like a parts store, so that's not too bad. But yeah, you get a view down here of the nice coolant hoses and everything. Nice radiator, big radiator. All the room I have to run the intercooler piping. Let me grab that intercooler pipe again one more time, show y'all what exactly the plan is with that. Basically, gonna fish down like this, right? And run up over, well, I can't really point, but it's gonna dodge over here and come up this way. My tire almost rubs on the bend, the inside bend of the sway bar. So I'm gonna try to hug in between the sway bar and the radiator hose, come forward, and then 90 over to the intercooler, which is gonna be mounted up on those tabs. And then for the intake, I might just buy that Fly Miata preformed intake pipe for the their intercooler kit and just make it fit for mine. But yeah, it's coming along, man. It's coming really good. Just I can't wait. It's gonna be nice. Here's my 3-inch. It's gonna go out the back, up, you know, normal routing. The downpipe ends up around here, like right here. So it should be pretty good. Just a V-band, a little bend, and it'll come all the way back. That is the plan. By a little bend, I mean pie cut. And how I've been doing these pie cuts is amazing. I got this nice bandsaw. It's an old Kalamazoo that my dad used to use at his work. And it's in the shop now, and just changed a new blade, got the coolant working and everything. It's cutting pie cuts like nothing. So yeah, it's fucking nice. I can't find this damn flex pipe I bought the other day. That's the bad thing about having a big shop like this. You lose shit so fast. Alright, I finally found the flex pipe. God damn, thing was hidden. But yeah, we're gonna come out like this. We have a little flex pipe here. And then we're just gonna shoot on back after that. Just do whatever pie cuts I can, get it to fit up right, mock it up, tape the pie cuts together, and then tack, check it again, weld, check it again. And that's all I can do. That's what we did for the downpipe, and it worked out great. So yeah, sorry it was a little bit of a shorter video. I'm gonna put a bunch of pictures up. Yeah, I'll do a little slideshow or whatever, so just to show you guys. But yeah, that's it for this one. Appreciate you guys for stopping by. Hit that subscribe button, it really helps me out. And hit that like. Shows me that you guys like this content. So it's what I like doing. But yeah. Y'all have a good one, man. By the way guys, quick update on the Jeep. She's throwing a cam angle sensor code, so I'm gonna have to work on that here soon. I took the tires and rims off my old Jeep and put them on this one before I sold it. And dude, it's looking mean. Like holy shit. Oh yeah, look at that, beastly. I'm loving it. But yep, she's still all good and everything. See if I can crank it up for you guys. There we go. Neutral. And still throwing the code. Ignore that squeaky pulley, by the way. But yeah, man, the Jeep's still doing good. Just needs a little TLC. So, yep. Man, my Miata's radiator is bigger than the Jeep's. It's thicker and it's wider. That's funny.